Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is something I've really been anticipating covering. A fantastic recipe from the Ottolenghi Flavour cookbook, and it's going to be the Aubergine Dumplings Alla Parmigiana, which is absolutely amazing Italian dish, and this is the recipe and this is what it should look like. Really good way of doing a vegetarian meatballs, absolutely flavoursome. That's what this book is all about, flavour. So for this recipe we need 2 aubergines, or what the Americans call eggplant, basil, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, palm sugar, sea salt, chilli powder and also chilli flakes, paprika, organic free-range egg, oregano. And here's what I made earlier, you can dry this out in the window, tomatoes, also some tomato paste, parmesan cheese, and we're also using Joseph Healer Cheshire mild cheddar cheese, which is absolutely brilliant. Not too strong in flavour, but the fatness and just really is what this recipe is about. Some decent sourdough, which is the rye and wheat dark sourdough. Right, so let's crack on. Alexa, set the timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, set the timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
Now let this sit here for at least 20 minutes until cool. Wow, absolutely wonderful. So all we've got to do now is add our final toppings. So we're going to sprinkle the black olives, sprinkle these roughly over the top. And the final sprinkling of parmesan cheese. And then finally the basil that we didn't chop up too finely. This is actually just to garnish the top. And here we have it, the Aubergine Dumplings Alla Parmigiana, which is an absolutely fantastic dish. My wife has given this 10 out of 10 and it's absolutely superb. So really hope you enjoyed this show. Please do not forget to subscribe. A lot of love and passion going into this show. Almost make sure you put on your notifications. I'm now releasing videos every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. So be there, be square. Please also check out my other playlists where I've got lots of other vegetarian and vegan dishes. Enjoy.